All right, guys, here we go. 2016 Immaculate Football NFL Edition. Single box. Random numbers, round 44. Two people from this break are going to win a spot in National Treasure's triple case number 2. So after you guys get your numbers, we'll go back and randomize the list 3 additional times. And then the top 2 spots are going to be in a triple case break. All right? Good luck. Here we go. 3 times on the draw for your numbers first. Darren. That's weird. Where's number 33? There it is. 33 has disappeared. Robert Cerro Jr. on the bottom and C. Vessel up top. 1, 2, and the last one. Good luck. 3. Pret City cards in the 1 spot. Looking for a 1-on-1. D-Dow number 99. Alright. Pret City down to Steelers 6-time champs. There's the top 33. Normally, I mean, he's got a lot of autos in the product, but there's not one in every single case. There's not a Corey Seager auto in every case of NT, but he comes out. He's got a good chance of pulling them. $34 to $66. D-Dow down to Andrew FN24. All right. And 67 to 99. Steelers 6-time champs to D-Dow. All right, guys, here we go. 3 more clicks. Top 2 spots from the triple case break. Here we go. 1, 2. Last one. Good luck. 3. Max and Fireside 40. There you go. Congratulations, guys. Max and Todd. And triple case number 2, officially spots number 9 and 10, won via mega filler or bonus action like this, Immaculate style. Congratulations, guys. Let's see what comes out of this box, shall we? Got a redemption on the back. Everybody's got a chance. No matter what number you drew, you got a chance at that card. Derek Carr, 32 of 99. A-Dub 45-45. Nice triple here. Dez Bryant, Dak Prescott, and Ezekiel Elliott, 30 out of 49. For Gabby, 149. This is nice. Quad patch number 1 of 2. Bridgewater, Carr, Mariota, and Winston. 1 out of 2. There you go. Pret City in the 1 spot. It's nice. Tyler I Farted, Jumbo Patch Auto, 40 of 99. C. Vessel. Clinton Portis, number 7 out of 7. 7 seasons with the Redskins. Going to Steelers 6-time champs. And the redemption is Cody Kessler, Immaculate Signature Patches rookie. Alright. 3 clicks on the random top spot gets the Cody Kessler. 1, 2, the last one, good luck. 3, Hamburger Ron. There you go. Ron. That's it, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching.